morning and good afternoon, whatever you are gonna say. Today is bonfire night. Today, I'm going out today to see fireworks display at Concord Golf Centre. It's actually behind Concord Sports Centre, but golf. If you don't know where Concord Sports Centre is and you want to go, it's not actually, it's not far from Fair Park, it's only just down the road. Sinton Meadow Hall is down the road as well. I'm doing the later one, watching fireworks. I will be vlogging that as well. So yeah, I'll see you in the latest, everyone. Oh, also I forgot to tell you this. In upcoming vlog, I'm doing we're going to holiday on August. Not to abroad, but a holiday in the UK to Shepperton, Leonard's or in Gamel's, wherever, to stay at caravan. One of caravan sites. So yeah, I'm about August time and summertime, and it's very good. So yeah, see you back. See you later. I am back now, everyone, vlogging. I'm gonna walk towards Concord Sports Centre / Golf Club, Golf Course Club, whatever called. Yeah. Gonna watch fireworks over there. Then I'm gonna vlog all that. So yeah, I'll see you when I get up there. Heading towards Concord Golf Club Centre to bonfire night. It's free to go in. There will be a lot of people, and I will vlog this, and there will be 2 videos I'm doing. There's this daily vlog what I'm doing now, and bonfire night vlog as well. So yeah, I'll be naked at some point, but I need to be careful with clothes. But thinking Flower Estate and Concord is not too far. As you heard, there will be a lot of fireworks behind me. I will show you some fireworks in front of me as well. Like probably evening time and night time as well. So yeah, see you a bit if I'm gonna catch some fireworks. And there's a poem. Remember, 5th of November. That's what Guy Fawkes tried to explode House of Parliament or House of Commons. So yeah, can't wait for this vlog. Right, I'm not far from Concord. Just say 10 or 20 minutes from here to Concord now. I saw some fireworks, but I didn't get it on my camera, but I will try and get it on camera straight away, and then when I get to Concord as well. So yeah, see you down there. you can't see me properly ever. I'm arrived at Concord Park Centre and Golf Club Centre as well. It's pitch black and I need to ask someone about the bonfire night display. If it's fine, if it is, that's fine. So yeah, if I was ready to get out of here. So see you later.